Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make a Cascade Selector. The Cascade Selector is a component that allows users to select options from multiple levels or categories in a cascading manner. It is commonly used to handle scenarios where the options available for selection depend on the previous selections made by the user. This can be useful in various applications, such as filtering products, selecting locations, or choosing hierarchical options. First, let's set up the widgets. Drag in a label and change the text to select a country. Then drag it into a drop list. Copy the option content we have already created from the text on the right. Double-click on the drop list and select Edit Menu in the pop-up window. Then paste the option content. Check the first option. Then change its style. Duplicate it. Change the option to country. Then create it as a dynamic panel. Change the name of State 1 to Country. Duplicate a new state and change the name to Africa. Then copy the options for Africa that we have already created. Paste into multiple option editing windows in the drop list. Create more dynamic panel states in the same way. Copy and paste the content into multiple option editing windows in the drop list. Next, let's set up the interaction. Select the first drop list and add the selection changed interaction. Add conditions. If the selected option of this equals option continent, set the country dynamic panel state to country. Copy and paste the interaction above, and edit it. Else if selection option of this equals Africa, set panel state country to Africa. Set all conditions in the same way. Preview the prototype. When we select different continents in the first drop list, the second drop list displays the countries of the selected continent. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.